Hi folks, thanks for coming to watch one more video at I Look at Sharing Knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about this Dremel 3000 that has an issue with losing the accessory. As you can see, when you put the wrench here, it's free as it has to be. And when you press this button, hold on, let me zoom it and focus better. So when you press this button, it should lock the chuck, but it isn't. It is panned and is slipping. Not sure if you get to hear the clack clack here, you see? In other words, I'm not getting to unlock it. Now I'm going to disassemble it and try to fix it. Here, as you can see, there are 4 Torx screws. I will unscrew them and then open it. I will use my set of precision tools that is really cool. By the way, if you want one, see the links where to buy at the video description. Click on see more, that you will see all links where you can buy it and shown in this video. There is a tool, really cool. See, you can expand it, shrink it, expand, and there is a magnet on the tip and so on. Here I'm going to use the Torx 15 that I got from here to unscrew all the screws here. Here we go. If you notice here, there is another adhesive here over its division on both sides, okay? You see here, all around here. To remove it, you can just cut it with a utility knife. I mean, if you don't mind to damage the adhesive, or you can use a heat gun. I will use a heat gun. You can use a hard dry too and try to soften the glue and remove it on both sides, okay? Now I'm going to get the heat gun and hit the adhesive. You can try to remove it by pulling with the nail or by using the utility knife on the tip. You see what works better for you. Done. I will just pull halfway off the label, and now I'm going to do the same on the other side. Here we go, with the labels loosened on both sides. Now you can get to remove the cover. You need to unscrew this part here and try to pull it. Who already knows this channel knows that all videos are done as MacGyver style. I was going to try to remove this part, but I think it's not needed. Let's try to pull it by pull. Okay, here we go. Now with this first cover removed to have access to the tip, you need to remove the other cover too. This way you have access to the button. So to work better with it, I will remove all this engine here. So detach this part, on the other side do the same. If you want, you can unscrew both motor brushes, but I will not lose them. I will just unscrew these 2 screws here that holds the cable. Now lift it up and all set is removed. Now I need to check if it isn't worn down. Let me focus it better. Hold on just a little bit. Here. Okay. See here, it doesn't seem to be worn down, but it can be the main piece here that locks the axle. To fix it, I bought a new set of the shaft lock, as this one. As you can see, it is escaping here. You see? Here. You see? It's escaping. Let me show you the new set. Hold on. Here is the new set. As you can see, it has more metal on it. Also, if you want to save some money, you can try MacGyver style on it. A grind here on outside, but in my opinion it doesn't work. See how it worn out. Let me show you the difference between this one and the new one. Just a second. Look at it. Here is the new one, and this other is the old one. See the difference, how the old one is so damaged. So this little difference causes the issue. I will not risk to grind the old one once I have all opened and don't want to have such issue happen soon again. So putting a new one is better, and it isn't so expensive. Therefore, I will use a new set. I advise you to do the same. Now you get the cover and place the shaft in its place. Make sure that the blue lock button in its place too. And now place the round metal on it. Now you are going to make all reversal process by placing all parts back. Remind also that this control speed, the blue button, goes on the side down position, okay? This one here. So it goes this way. Attention! After placing the new shaft set, I recommend you to hold the axle with a grip plier and unlock the chuck before assemble back. I suggest it because if the chuck is too tight as this one, you can damage the new shaft. See how it was tight, so it's better to do it now. Therefore, to avoid damage the new piece, set it free and continue the process. Okay, now with the engine set placed back, check if all buttons are in the right place. Here, the wires are fitting these holes, you see, on both sides, okay? And this one goes here on the middle. And you put back the plastic piece. I will get it here, this plastic piece, and the two screws to hold it, okay? Here we go. Now, with this part, okay, you need to put back these two plastic pieces. Oops, this one doesn't seem to be here. No. Let me get the other one. Okay, this one is the right one. Okay, now the second one goes the other side. And now, finally, the last cover. Okay, now before fastening all screws, I suggest you to test the shaft with the wrench. So, put the accessory in it and use the wrench to lock and turn on your Dremel. Of course, you will hear a weird noise because the cover isn't with the screws. Okay, but if you hold it, you can see a different noise. Okay, hear a different noise. Now stop it and check if the shaft is still spanned. You use the button and unlock it. Here we go. Now it's fixed. You see? So do not forget to use the grip plier to not damage the new shaft. It was too tight, do you remember? Now it's all okay. Just glue back the labels and put back the screws and it's fixed. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel. If you need to buy the items shown in this video, see the links at the video description. And if this video helped you to fix yours, click on the thanks button below and leave your tip as gratitude. Thanks and see you on the next video. Bye bye.